I heard a wise pastor once say, ministry would be great if it wasn't for all these people. At the time, I was new to the ministry and very innocent. I thought he was funny, but I didn't think he was serious. 30 years later, I totally understand what he was saying. The body of Christ is made up of imperfect people interacting with other imperfect people. Sometimes things happen between people that require some assistance ironing the problems out. Today, we live in a very litigious culture, and at the drop of a hat, we get all twisted up and look for someone to defend our honor, get vengeance, recoup our money, or realign our families. Jesus said in Matthew 5:13 and 14 that we, the body of Christ, are to be salt and light to reach a hurting, lost world. And also in 5:9, he said, blessed are the peacemakers. In 1 Corinthians 6:1 through 11, the Apostle Paul challenged the church to quit taking a brother before an ungodly court. So just what is the body of Christ, role when two believers are involved in a dispute? Far too long, we, the body of Christ, have kicked the can of disagreements and confrontation down the road instead of standing for righteousness, healing, and restoration in the tough times of life. We should want to focus on legacy instead of loss, emphasize restructuring the family instead of dividing it, embrace creative problem solving instead of forced resolution, and look to the future with hope instead of allowing our mistakes and failures define us. During our pathway bringing peace during life's difficult situations, I will talk about how the body of Christ helps families going through divorce. Paul and Kim Lufkin will talk about wrong ways to right wrongs. Dr. Randy Kennison will speak on nuts and bolts to navigate church leadership conflict. And Christine Rankin will discuss the emotional and financial cost of litigation. Please join us at the ACU Summit 2020.